one.
Ooh, just Fourth of July one.
Yeah.
No music?
Nope.
Fireworks.
We're sitting in a cow pasture.
Ooh.
Watching fireworks.
That was very pretty. I like that one. Oh, wait, bug.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at the smiley face.
Smiley face.
Keep watching, we might see another smiley face. Yeah, I didn't see it. I've never seen a smiley face.
You haven't?
Before.
Look, smiley face. Smiley face. Look, smiley face.
Just look and see what else we see.
What smiley?
There was a smiley face a while ago.
In the
In
fireworks.
the fireworks. Ooh, that's.
Can I see it?
Let's see if we see another one. Ooh.
Is that a smiley face?
Not yet.
Is that smiley face? Is that?
No, I'll
No.
tell you when. You just keep watching and I'll tell you.
Is there gonna be a smiley face?
I don't know. Just keep watching and I'll tell you.
Is that smiley?
No,
Go ask. We'll tell you. I'm videoing this because this is just too funny.
But Mom, how does the fireworks?
Ooh, good.
You're not pretty one. There might be a smiley face I can see.
Yeah, might be. So you're used to seeing the ones down on the
Yeah.
big difference.
I know.
Yep, that's a Christmas one.
Then you got Pirates.
4th of July.
4th of July.
Can you say happy 4th of July?
Ooh, I like that.
Riley, can you say happy 4th of July?
Happy 4th of July.